Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Fitness. This is Aman Tilno and today is the week 3 day 15 of our 10 weeks lean body challenge. First I am doing 10 minute stair climber as a warm up to activate my entire body. Climbing stair is one of the best exercise when it comes to pure fat burn, strengthening the lower body, toning the butt, thighs, calves, even losing inches from those love handles and belly and building great abs. Along with these benefits is the immense good it does for your lungs and cardiovascular system. I just completed my warm up, so as you guys know, this is my drop set week, so let's start with drop set shoulder workout. First drop set is dumbbell press. I'm going to do 3 sets with 15 to 20 reps. Keep your entire body still, slowly lift both arms overhead. First set weight is 15 lbs, drop 12.5 lbs. And second set with 17.5 lbs, drop 15 lbs. If you can't easily get your arms in line with your ears, then you should not do overhead pressing with a barbell or dumbbell or a kettlebell. And last set with 20 lbs, drop with 15 lbs. If you can get in line with your ears, you have the prerequisite shoulder mobility necessary and you can follow these steps. Grip and hold, keep your elbows in, use your abs and glutes too. Moving on to the second drop set, that is seated barbell overhead press. I'm going to do 3 sets with 15 reps. In this inhale, brace tuck the chin, then lower the bar to the top of your chest. Strengthen the other areas in your body like triceps, trap and upper body. I'm doing with 30 lbs and drop with 15 lbs. Exhale and press the bar back to lockout. Improve bone density, decreasing your risk of osteoarthritis. Second set with 40 lbs, drop with 30 lbs. Also it improves strength in the bones, ligaments and tendons. And my last set I'm doing with 40 lbs, drop with 30 lbs. And third drop set is single arm lateral raises. I'm going to do 2 sets with 20 reps. My first set weight is 12.5 lbs and drop with 10 lbs. Always do this exercise slowly, it is an isolation exercise. And focus should be on working the muscles correctly, not moving as much weight as you can. And second set with 15 lbs and drop with 10 lbs. Choose a manageable weight and avoid bouncing up and down. Moving on to the fourth drop set, that is front raises. I'm going to do 2 sets with 15 reps. First set with 20 lbs plate and drop with 15 lbs. Don't load the shoulder joints excessively as it can stress the joint and lead to injury. And last set with 20 lbs and drop with 15 lbs. Keep the back straight and brace the abdominal rather than performing with the rounded back and slack abs. Moving on to the second last drop set, that is dumbbell rear delt fly. I'm going to do 3 sets with 15 reps. And first set weight is 12.5 lbs and drop with 10 lbs. Keep the dumbbells moving outward on a lateral plane to work your shoulder. And second set weight is 15 lbs, drop with 10 lbs. Using too much weight compromises the benefit of exercise and can even risk of injury. And my last set with 15 lbs, drop with 10 lbs. Try to keep your arms straight during each rep. And the last drop set is barbell shrugs. I'm going to do 3 sets with 15 reps. First set with 15 lbs and drop with 30 lbs. Throughout the exercise, make sure you keep your shoulder back and your spine and elbow straight. And my second set weight is 60 lbs and drop with 40 lbs. Looking slightly up while shrugging may enhance the contraction as traps, help to control movement of the skull. And the last set with 70 lbs and drop with 40 lbs. This motion should be smooth and controlled as a ballistic movement could result in neck injury. If this information was helpful, give me thumbs up. That's all for the day. See you tomorrow. This is Filmy Fitness by Aman Tilno, powered by Pure Leaf Pictures. Stay tuned, stay safe and stay fit.